Good morning, everybody. It is cold outside, but we knew that. You're going to need the heavy coat as you are heading out to work and school this morning, and we are in good company. I mean, you go out to the west in State College, central Pennsylvania, 30 degrees right now, 25 up in Binghamton, 24 in Pittsburgh, but warmer, especially without the crazy wind gusts seen yesterday. 25, 30 miles an hour made it much colder yesterday morning. For much of New Jersey, we're just north of the freezing point, so I guess there's really not too much to complain about. Look, we got Harry the Happy High Pressure System in charge right down to our south. Winds will be out of the west, southwest today, and we are looking good. We're in this dome of high pressure, keeping us calm and tranquil, not only for New Jersey, but Pennsylvania, the entire Northeast, and Mid-Atlantic, and it's not going to stay that way, though, forever. See this storm? Yeah, we've been talking about it for a couple days now. It is going to materialize. It is going to really organize itself, and it's going to be crawling right across the deep south and then eventually coming right up into the Carolinas and the Virginias and into our neck of the woods come tomorrow afternoon. We'll get to that in a second. Let's get you out the door. Temperatures, some of you starting out in the upper 20s, partly to mostly sunny skies, so I think it's going to be a brighter day overall than yesterday. I mean, really no thick, dull, dark cloud cover. We had that come in at times yesterday. Clouds are back tonight, out ahead of our system. I think tomorrow is dry for the most part, but as a warm front climbs up, we could be looking at some scattered showers early afternoon, but later in the day is when the more organized rain is going to start. We got to watch the track of this closely. I'm still leaning 70% positive that it is going to be a mainly rain event, and with that, a heavy rain event. But look at the track. Here's your center of circulation, forecast to come right through eastern Virginia, and then be offshore by about 65 miles. If this continues to go farther east, you could, in theory, create enough cold air if there's enough precipitation falling fast enough. A lot of variables that have to come together. But the point I'm trying to make is you could be seeing some wet snowflakes on the back end. I'm not going to get your hopes up and say there's a snowstorm coming. That's just not the case. But some winter weather is possible on Saturday afternoon. Lower 50s across South Jersey today, a little cooler to the north, maybe a degree or two cooler. Upper 40s to around 50. Tonight, mid to upper 30s. Light southwest wind. Clouds move back in. Tomorrow, probably between 46 and 53. I know that's a wide range there. Temperatures will climb through the day as the storm approaches, especially at night. Down to 46. I'm going to throw in that chance of a wintry mix in the afternoon as the storm comes to a close. In the middle 40s next week and bright.